Hello guys, welcome to my channel and you're watching me on Amrita's Life Note, The Art of Loving Life. It's Sunday 9:30 a.m. and I guess it's a relaxing day for all those who goes out for work. Not only a relaxing day, actually a skincare and a hair care day for all the men and women. It's summertime and it's really hot outside due to that monsoon tropical type climate, and as you know Indian climates it's a you're sure that your skin going to get dropped with that dust, smoke, pollution and fuel exhaust. You cannot escape. But I have a solution for you. It's a magical activated charcoal mask from Wow Skin Science. It's recommended for both men and women. I've been using this particular activated charcoal face mask for the last 6 months and the result was amazing. So I thought to make a video and share my views regarding this product. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit onto the bell button and watch the full video. So this particular product comes in a packaging like this, in a black packaging like this, which showcase both a male and a female with the mask on their face. So you can clearly understand it's both recommended for men and women. When you open the box, the first thing you get is a hello letter. It's a glow letter actually. As you can see, it's a glow letter where the history of the entire product is given and their journey of Wow Skin Science is being given. If you want, you can read this. And there comes a brochure so that you can get an idea of the ranges of product they have. Third thing is a review note. You can call the customer care if you're really not happy with the product, but I'm going to give a good review on the product. So next comes the container. See, this is how it looks like, and approximate weight of this particular, it has a volume of 200 ml. There was a upper covering to this means, but unfortunately I've lost it. So the mask certainly looks like this. By now I'm sure many of you have this question, why should I go for this product? Why not only any other product? So basically what they commit is they have got three key ingredients. The first one is activated charcoal powder. The second one is Altamonos ferment extract, and the third one is a liquorized extract. This is recommended for all the skin type and starting from oily to dry to combination, and also for acne prone skin. But if you still have a doubt before using this particular product, you can go for a patch test. When charcoal powder undergoes a heat treatment, the surface area of each of those small particles increases, providing a larger surface area for reactions. Means it has the capacity to absorb or entraps more of the pollutants. Particularly for this product, they commits to absorb pollutants up to PM 2.5, which are clinically proven to cause itchiness, dullness, and rashes to your skin. The second key ingredient is the Altamonos fermented extract, which has the capacity to dispel the pollutants PM 2.5 as it contains polysaccharide. The third key ingredient is the liquorize, which lightens the skin by nullifying the free radicals from the skin. Thus, all these three ingredients in a combination makes your skin glow and makes you feel happy from inside. So let's start with the application of the product, how to apply and for how long you should keep it. How the entire, I'm going to take it in my hand. Start applying in this way, leaving the T-zone first. It works readily on your skin and it helps to remove the blackheads. I've been using this for last 6 months and I've not seen a single blackheads on my nose and the affected areas. See, this is how you apply it on your skin. This is how you apply it on your skin. it's always recommended to apply it on your clean skin. Actually, 2 hours just now I've taken my bath and now I'm applying this on my entire affected areas. If you want, you can apply it on your neck and back portions also, your arms. Generally, I wear full sleeves, so my arms and the neck portion doesn't get affected much. But if you want, you can apply it on your all the other portions also. I use it particularly for my face. A little bit on my forehead because it has not been covered up completely. But make it sure that it doesn't goes into your eyes. You might get an allergy. Since I have a allergy prone eyes, my eyes are quite sensitive. So it's recommended, please make it sure that it doesn't goes into your eyes. And you must tie your hair before applying, so that in order to make the application much easier. See, this is the way I'm scrubbing my nose. The remaining portion, I'm applying it on my neck area. Yeah. So I'm done with my application. I'm going to leave it for half an hour or 15 minutes to half an hour on my skin. Then I'm going to, for the second time, I'm going to use my spray bottle to make it a little bit wet. Another 15 minutes and I'm going to wash it. Hi guys, I'm back. And as you can see, my skin is almost dry. I'm not able to speak out properly. See, it's almost cracking. It's almost dry. After 15 minutes, spray bottle with my water. What I'm going to do is hydrating a little bit. If you don't have any spray bottle, not to worry, you can sprinkle water after 15 minutes. My skin got moist after 15 minutes because the second round of scrubbing. Second round of scrubbing should be very thorough, like this, and it should always be on the upward direction. The nose areas gets affected by blackheads, so you should rub it and clean it properly, like this. Should be thorough cleaning. Five minutes of thorough scrubbing, and I'm doing it right now. The affected areas should be scrubbed very thoroughly. I have a tendency to get itching in this neck area. So I'm back after 15 minutes and you can see it's almost dry. I'm going to wash it off directly under tap water. But what you can do is you can take a bowl of full of lukewarm water. You can soak a towel and you can pat it dry. That way you can do it, but I prefer to wash it under running water. So I'll be back after washing my face. So you can observe that change in my skin. It's like all very clean. See? So I'm feeling really happy with this. I would like to share a tip with you. Before washing, what you can do is either you can wash it with lukewarm water, or you can, so as I told you, you can soak a towel in a bowl of lukewarm water and you can pat it dry. I did not do it because just before coming I have just taken a steam bath, and after that I have started applying the entire face mask. So the application I have used cold water to rinse my face off, and it's all clean as you can see. So I hope you liked my video, and if you like my video, don't forget to share and comment. And for the frequency of usage, I would like to say you that this particular product, you can use it twice in a week. I personally go for once in a week because I have a very dry skin. If you have a oily skin, you can go for the best results, you can go for thrice in a week. That means 12 times a month. I use it 4 times a month. You can use it, and you can ask your men to use it because it's both for men and women, as I discussed before. So these are the tips and tricks of the skin, and you can see how well it worked on my skin. I'm really happy after using this product, and seriously, I'm feeling so much of I'm feeling so fresh from inside, actually, you know. So you should also purchase this product. From where to purchase, I'm going to share the link below. I have purchased from Amazon. The price is also quite reasonable. You get this whole 2 ml dabba or the container at a price of $6.99, quite reasonable. And definitely, if you use 12 times a week, I'm sure you can use it for around 4 to 5 months. So it's quite affordable, quite cheap, and it's extremely good, and it will make you feel happy from inside. Trust me, it will make you feel happy from inside. So I recommend this product. You should buy the product and give your reviews too. Once you have cleaned your face, I use a toner which I have made on my own. Since I have a dry skin, you can moisturize your skin a bit with a choice of your moisturizer. I'll use coconut oil to moisturize my skin. Once you're done with your scrubbing mask, application of the mask and scrubbing, I prefer to moisturize my skin a bit with the help of my edible coconut oil from Patanjali, because I have a very dry skin. But if you want, you can use a toner or a lavender toner from Wow Skin Science for the best results. The condition of my skin after applying the coconut oil. So I recommend Wow. Please do like, share and comment on my video.